Hello, guys, and welcome to ZipZap Academy. And today's topic is differentiation. Today, we're going to look at differentiation and its other formulas. So, in part one, if you haven't watched part one, please go and watch it. The link is in the description. So, in part one, we had seen the basic formulation of dy by dx and how this important equation of main equation of differentiation came. So, we're going to look at some other important equation of differentiation. So please, the next slide, I'm going to show you the differentiation formulas. So please go and look at it. Okay. So the first formula is if if y is equal to x, then what will be the differentiation? So what will be the dy by dx? Okay. So this is the question. So if y is equal to x, then if we substituted dx by dx, so the value will be same. So it can cut it, and the answer will be 1. This is the first equation. If y is equal to ax, okay, if y is equal to ax, then the differentiation, then what will be the differentiation? So it will be dAx by dx. So what will be the differentiation over here? Okay, so differentiation will be dx. So actually in differentiation, I had to tell one thing, that x is not a single term. Dx as 1 is a term, one term. Okay, remember this. So you cannot cut x and x. This is wrong. Okay, you cannot cut x and x. So you can cut, but you can cut dx and dx. You can cut this and this. So the differentiation of dxa or dx is a. Simple. Now the next. In like these, in the variables that I'm taking, these are just the examples. Like instead of these, you can put numbers. For example, I'll take dx. If a is equal to 3, okay, then what will be the differentiation? It will be d 3 dx. You can write it in any way, divided by dx. It's in the form of dAx by dx, letting taking a as 3. So we can cut this and the answer will be 3. Like in this we have a, in this we have 3. So this formula which I'm going to show you, this is the very important one, so please remember it thoroughly. This formula is also a part of integration, so this formula is easy. It's actually easy. So the formula is, if y is equal to e raised to x, if y is equal to e raised to x, then what is dy by dx, the question is. Okay, so the answer for this will be e raised to x. This is a formula. Okay, remember this. So let's take an example. You can take as e is like any constant. It can be pi, it can be e, it can be iota. Okay, it can be any constant. Now let's see at some trigonometric ratios. So in the last video we had seen of sin x and cos x. Now we are going to look at the other trigonometric ratio like tan, sec, cosec, and other things. So let's see for tan. Okay, so if y is equal to tan x, then what will be the differentiation? This is the question. So the differentiation will be sec square x. This formula, you can go at the formula page and these all formulas will be there. This is actually a very important formula, so you can see that. तो अब हम देखेंगे अगला क्वेश्चन. तो ये सबको समझ आ गया. cot x is minus cosec square x. These are all formulas, so you have to go on the screen and see it. Now let's go to log. If y is equal to log x, y is equal to log x. Okay, so what will be dy by dx? Okay, this is the question. So this, for this it will be 1 by x. Okay, remember this. If y is equal to log x, then what will be its differentiation? Its differentiation will be 1 by x. Remember this. dy by dx will be 1 by x. Okay, so that's much. There was nothing much in this video. So the main importance of this video was that about the formulae. So the main important formulae which were shown in the video, you have to remember all of them, and these are the main important formulae of differentiation. These are very very important. These formulas, all the formulae that were shown in the video are very very important. You have to remember all of them to solve all the differentiation questions. So the next video will be on integration. Please do watch it if you want to learn integration. So thanks for watching. If you haven't watched part 1, go watch it, then watch this video. The next video will be on integration. Please do watch it also. So you were watching ZipZap Academy, signing off. Thanks for watching, guys.